This week, we are going to talk about rainforests. There are two different types of rainforests. One is called tropical and the other temperate. They are rainforests because of the high amounts of rain that they get each year. A tropical rainforest is found close to the equator where it is hot and moist. Moist means slightly wet. And because the tropical rainforest is hot and moist, there are as many as 30 million species of plants and animals that live there. A temperate rainforest is found along the coastal areas where it is cooler. Temperate rainforests have warm summers and cold winters. Temperate rainforests receive less rain than the tropical rainforests. So today you learned a little bit about a tropical rainforest and a temperate rainforest.